Ever scroll through endless stock options feeling overwhelmed? A watch list cuts through the noise. It lets you organize interesting companies and stay on top of their performance, so you never miss a potential opportunity. Investing.com makes it easy to create a watch list. Let's build one together. Open the Investing.com Pro Dashboard. Here, you can start a watch list in 2 easy ways. The first, create a custom watch list. Let's name it My Watch List. Then, add any stocks you want. Keep adding interesting stocks to create your personalized list. The second way is to look at what the world's best investors do. Click on Ideas. Select an investor that you find appealing. Let's go with Ray Dalio. Now you can get selective and go stock by stock, or copy his whole portfolio in one click. Let's do that. Okay, let's see the list and its benefits. See real-time prices and quickly identify any big movers. This is a great way to stay on top of your potential investments. Want to learn more about a specific stock? Click on it. This brings you to the stock's detailed page with news, charts, and analysis. Remember, a watch list is just the beginning. Research and stay informed before making any investment decisions. Check out our video on when to buy and sell stocks. With your watch list set up, you'll be ready to seize opportunities when they strike. Happy investing!